don't know if it's even allowed. People may say what you're doing now, where you've been with living life. Had some lows, we had some highs, and some will see that it's been difficult. It's hard to know what's right when it's so close. Like a ghost, unsatisfied.